TCS Anika Homes is a institutional quality sponsor. To invest with Daniel directly, you would have to invest in a substantial amount of capital. What Levine Capital is doing is we're, in essence, we're co-investors, right? But we're allowing the smaller investor to invest with us with as little as $25,000. And we're actually going to be more of an active investor with you. So we'll be part of the management of the whole life cycle of the investment that we're in. Where I'll review, obviously there's investor reporting.
Absolutely. Always monthly investor reporting. Certainly, whenever I take in an LP investor, they're my partner. So you have a say in all major decisions. I'm not going to do anything that differs from our initial business model without conferring with my investors.
Sure.
And certainly Levine Capital would be hands-on, when it came to any kind of major decisions.
Sure, and that's a tremendous value that we're offering. So you also have to keep in mind that in every investment, right, and this is stuff that you should look at is what's the skin of how much co-investment is the sponsor putting in. So by investing with Levine Capital, with our co-investment with TCS Anika Homes, you're going to have at least 20% or more between GP and LP skin, right? Which that demonstrates that we're very confident in our business model because we're putting up our own capital at risk. Levine Capital will always be invested with you as well in every opportunity.
I would also mention that in any deal that TCS Anika Homes does, there will be substantial sponsor co-invest. And it's not only just the sponsors, myself and Ben Aller, Gaurav Gambhir, Rebecca Aller. It's our families. So my father invests in every deal. Ben's father has invested in Fund 1 and will likely continue to. And, if we don't do our job and create a good investment, our Thanksgivings our holidays are ruined because we sit around with our families saying, "What did you do?"
Sure.
So it's always nice to know not only is there sufficient sponsor skin in the game, but we're bringing in our families in every opportunity as well.
Sure. The whole idea is for us to preserve our capital, our family capital, and obviously investors that we invite to invest with us, right? And for a while, you were mostly your investor, your family monies, and then similar to my background, and then now you start allowing investors to invest with you, same thing with me.
Correct.
So it's actually pretty similar.